What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles. It's the week of Blizzard Bash, and we're going to Topeka, Kansas. Hit the intro. Jonathan Painter's 97 Lumina. She's ready to hit the track. So in one of my last videos, a guy asked when I was going to build another mod mini, and I said that's my next build. Well, turns out for Redneck Rumble, they're allowing pre-rans. So after 2 years, we're finally getting this guy out of the yard. This was actually my 2019 team show car, 2020 team show car. Ended up losing a ball joint, lost the rear end. So we're gonna put a new rear end underneath this, put a new engine in it, put the guts back in it, and try it one last time. So now the rules state you have to have a factory rear end, no trailer axles or anything like that. So we have a 97 Lumina, pretty clean underneath. We're gonna steal the rear end out from underneath it, send this car down the road. So a couple weeks ago, we ran the GM at Paoli, Indiana. It was a shit show. Ended up losing reverse. I think we got down to like 6th or 7th, but not bad for the factory driveline. Ended up getting stuck on some cars, lost reverse. Factory drive shaft held up way better than we thought it would. Drove it on the trailer at the end of the night. I will be uploading the GoPro footage as soon as we get back from Blizzard Bash. Might do it while we're in Topeka if we get time. The wheels are still straight, even with a bent tie rod. So we could probably put a different transmission in it. We got one in the garage. And pull down the GM, run it again, but we're gonna strip it out because we need the guts for other cars for 2022. Like the 63 Rambler. She's coming out to play. We got in here the other day, pulled the driveline out, got the inside cleaned out. We're going to change that seat, change the steering, put pedals in it, put in a 305, 10-bolt rear end, and get it going. So in 2022, we've already locked in a spot for Redneck Rumble. We're taking a modified mini car. We've locked in a spot, Bash for Cash. We'll find out next week if we get a spot at Urban Destruction. Might take a car or two. Next year, we're running shows in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, probably Tennessee. So hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, because we going to Blizzard Bash this weekend. Here we go.